Well, Tim Sheridan and I'm Joanna Jones are so excited to have this beautiful listing with Sheridan Solomon.
Absolutely.
We have been wanting to put this on the market for a while, and it is just fantastic. It's 10.5 acres, right?
Correct.
You actually get 2 lots with it. And this house was custom built, one owned family. It has everything in your heart's desire. It's all brick. I mean, what would it cost us to build the house?
Oh, $250 a foot.
Right, okay, so this is priced very well. Not only does it have a fantastic house that has bedrooms and rooms for every one of your children, grandchildren, parents, whatever you want, it also has a pool, a tennis court, you know I love that, which you folks can make it a pickleball court if you want to, but tennis, a dollhouse, a basketball court, and a 4,000 square foot shop.
It's unbelievable. It has
Did you hear that?
I heard it. It has more amenities than any house I've ever been in.
All these guys love this 4,000 square foot shop because it's got all industrial doors. It's got separate entrances everywhere. This house is what you want. It's what you coveted. Your wife will love it. You'll love it. It will be your heart's desire, and it's in the best location in Macon, Georgia. You are so close to everything, but you don't even realize that you've got this great cul-de-sac right off of Zebulon Road. It is fantastic.
And a backyard full of deer.
Oh, so you can sit out your window and do whatever y'all do. All right, so you tell me how much you love this house.
It's an incredible house. It's one that I've admired for years. I've been all through it. It's in impeccable condition. It's an unprecedented piece of property to be able to find something with this much land and this many amenities. It's something you got to see.
I remember when it was built.
I do too.
And I know the people that built it, and it was done in such detail, and every little thing about it is what you want. It's solid as a rock. It is brick, Georgia brick. Do you hear me? And it's got everything. So please call us. Call Tim Sheridan, Joanna Jones at Sheridan Solomon, or anybody in our office. We would love to sell you this home. Call us.
Let's go in and have a tour.
Okay, let's go. Hi, I'm JoJo Jones.
And I'm Tim Sheridan.
And we're at 125 Powers Plantation Court. Also, it's 113
Correct.
Powers Plantation Court. So you get 2 lots, custom built by the sellers. And you know, it has a full generator on this house. It has anything that your heart's desire. How many garages? I don't even know what to say.
At least 4, and then another 10 down below.
Right, and then a full 4,000 square foot shop. Now, I'll tell you something else about this. It is the only one, to my knowledge, in this neighborhood, Powers Plantation, that is on city sewer and
City
county
water.
That means no septic tank, no well. This is a great house. It's everything you've ever dreamed of, and it's already built. So the price,
1 point.
You're not supposed to say the price. Call. No, I'm teasing. The price is really so good for what you get. You can't get this property. You can't get this house.
Or the amenities.
You might want to do a little here and there, but the sellers have already fixed it up really, really nice, and it's great. And I suggest you call right away.
Well, let's go have a tour.
Okay, come on. You step in through here. Look at this room. It's great for entertaining. This house, oh my gosh, is so great for entertaining.
Absolutely. Check out the walk-up to bar.
I know you like this. Sir, may I help you? What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? But it's just great, entertaining, everything about it for any occasion. And I don't know, I just think it's spectacular.
Did you notice the height of these ceilings?
Right, and the beams are fabulous. The master suite is to the left right here, and it's got your own private, you gals, you have your own private closet, your own private vanity, your own private world, and on the other side is his. So his and hers bathroom suite is wonderful, and the fireplace in the bedroom is really nice, overlooking the pool. How about that fire pit right out there, already ready to go?
It's unreal.
On an amazing deck. And I mean, I can't think of anything that's lacking.
Let's go look outside.
Okay. It's got a full basement too, and the bathroom's down there. So anybody having a swim party for kids, they can just use that bathroom. I mean, it's winter, so you know, you can't see the beauty of the privacy, but look, there's nothing. Nobody's gonna build back here. Your fence is already bricked in, pooled fence. It's amazing.
And I believe the pool has a new liner.
Brand new liner. I mean, it's just, I mean, the amenities are amazing. So, total brick. Wow. And you've got the indoor screened-in porch, the outdoor sitting area, this whole around the fire pit. Can you think of one thing missing from this house?
There is nothing missing.
I want it. You want it.
I do want it.
And over here, he bought even more extra lots. So you are so protected. You're so private. Nobody's gonna bother you. But you're close enough so you feel like you've got neighbors.
What about the warehouse?
Let's go look.
That's good.
Tim, oh my gosh, what in the world is this building?
Look, it's got power doors on it. And
Oh my gosh.
And it's got 6 of them.
Okay, this is a 4,000 square foot shop, and it's got 6 industrial
Overhead doors
overhead doors that work.
with every amenity that any man would ever want in a workshop.
It's even got a burglar alarm.
It's got a burglar alarm, it's got bathrooms, it's got sinks, it's got hydraulic power, it's got anything you need.
This is crazy. And one thing that is amazing to me is the roadage, the driveway. You've got your own separate entrance where you can come in through that gate, you can come right through here and all the way back out and around, and you're never bothering anybody at the house. But it's all connected, and it's all on how many acres?
10.
10.5.
10.5. But you can also drive a boat or trailer directly through without having to back it up.
You can fit a boat in this thing?
Several.
Oh my gosh, y'all gonna love it. Call JoJo Jones, 478-731-1302, or
Tim Sheridan.
and listen to this, 125 Powers Plantation Court and 113 Powers Plantation Court, Macon, Georgia. Macon, Georgia. Where are we?
Macon, Georgia. Come see
Give
it.
us a call, Sheridan Solomon. As some of you know, I'm a tennis addict, and my boss here used to play tennis.
But who'd ever thought I'd have been standing right here with you in a tennis racket?
So this is at 125 Powers Plantation Court. You have your own tennis court, lighted by the way. You've got basketball court, dollhouse, child's house, all of this stuff. And let me say this, if I had, you know, I'm normally in my tennis outfit when I do these videos. If I had this in my backyard, I don't know what I'd be wearing. What about you?
I know what I'd be wearing.
You can play whenever you want, whatever you want, and it's right here in your own private backyard. So, here you go.
Want to take me on?
I'll beat your butt. All right, call JoJo Jones.
And Tim Sheridan.
125 Powers Plantation Court.